The New Caledonia government issued a tsunami warning following a tremor in the Pacific Ocean.
In a world filled with natural wonders and breathtaking landscapes, the Earth's oceans often take center stage as both a source of beauty and immense power. While most of us admire the tranquil waves lapping at the shores, it's crucial to remember that these same oceans can turn deadly and unleash forces that could reshape our world. Among these formidable forces are tsunamis, which, when they strike, can wreak havoc on coastal communities. As we journey through the complex tapestry of Earth's geological history, we find instances where tsunamis have left their indelible mark, altering landscapes and even influencing the course of life on our planet. However, what's even more concerning is the looming possibility of a massive tsunami striking again, and this time its sights are set on European cities. UNESCO, the United Nations educational, scientific, and cultural organization, stands as a global authority when it comes to matters of cultural heritage and scientific research. Recently, this reputable organization issued a chilling warning. Europe is under an imminent threat of experiencing a devastating tsunami. Large cities dotting the Mediterranean coast, including the likes of Marseille in France, Istanbul in Turkey, and Alexandria in Egypt, are all in the crosshairs. What makes this warning particularly harrowing is the unwavering confidence displayed by UNESCO's scientists. They assert, without a shadow of a doubt, that their calculations led them to the inescapable conclusion: a tsunami of colossal proportions is on the horizon, and it could occur sooner than we think. The United Nations, echoing UNESCO's concerns, has projected that by next year, an additional 40 cities across 21 different countries could find themselves at risk of tsunami strikes. This means that the potential impact of these monstrous waves is far from limited as it reaches closer to an ever-growing list of urban centers. While these organizations endeavor to provide valuable insight, there's one chilling detail that adds to the ambiguity of this imminent threat. Predicting the exact height of the incoming tsunami is at present a formidable challenge. Nevertheless, experts speculate that should the waves reach a height of at least 1.5 meters, the consequences will be dire. We're talking about the ability to carry away cars, disrupt power lines, and flood the ground floors of residential buildings, setting the stage for widespread destruction. As unsettling as the potential tsunami threat is, it's not the only peril lurking beneath the ocean's surface. Tsunamis have been studied relatively well due to historical evidence and past occurrences. Traces of ancient tsunamis help scientists fathom their origins, and on some occasions, even predict when those colossal killer waves might make a comeback. One of the most glaring examples is the Chicxulub crater, a massive scar on Earth's surface, left behind by an asteroid impact 66 million years ago. This catastrophic event triggered a 100-meter high tsunami that would dwarf the iconic Big Ben if it were to happen today. The resulting devastation caused mass extinctions, signaling the fragility of life in the face of such colossal natural forces. But Europe's impending tsunami isn't the only threat we face from the ocean. There are other less understood phenomena that are equally menacing. One such phenomenon is the solitary killer wave. These rogue waves can reach heights of more than 30 meters, which is 15 times the size of an average wave. The US Ramapo, a ship that gained notoriety for surviving a 34-meter-high wave, showcased the destructive potential of such solitary giants. Most vessels confronting such waves are not as fortunate, and are often swiftly claimed by the relentless ocean. Square waves, another little-known oceanic hazard, present yet another danger. These waves intersect at right angles, creating a checkerboard-like pattern on the water's surface. Such conditions arise when wind and sea currents push waves in opposite directions. And although square waves typically don't exceed 3 meters in height, they can still envelop ships in a vise-like grip from all sides, leading to near certain doom. The rarest of these oceanic phenomena is the drone wave, which still eludes comprehensive study due to its extreme infrequency. In 1995, one such wave was detected in the North Sea, reaching a staggering height of 27 meters. However, this single recorded instance doesn't necessarily imply that drone waves are rare by nature. These killers could potentially emerge more frequently, but their devastating force means that eyewitness accounts are seldom available to recount their appearances. Dangers of tsunamis. One historical account takes us to the South American Atacama Desert, where archaeologists have stumbled upon peculiar artifacts. Sea stones, pebbles, and shells were discovered embedded in sedimentary rocks located kilometers away from the ocean. Moreover, the remnants of stone buildings found in the vicinity bore signs of displacement, as if some tremendous force had tilted or pushed them. Upon closer examination, scientists were able to piece together the harrowing events that unfolded nearly 4,000 years ago. A mega-earthquake had shaken the modern Chilean territory, causing a tsunami with waves soaring as high as 20 meters. This wave could have easily swallowed the Chilean monumental lighthouse of La Serena, which stood as a mute witness to the devastating power of these natural forces. The underlying cause of this recurrent danger in Chile is the collision of two massive tectonic plates, the Nazca Oceanic Plate and the South American Continental Plate. As the former slowly descends beneath the latter, earthquakes and tsunamis become recurring phenomena in the region. Notably, in 1960, the world bore witness to the most potent earthquake in human history, which rocked Chile with a magnitude of 9.5. This cataclysm was followed by a tsunami.